7 ways to earn CPE credits. ISC2 requires certification holders to earn CPE credits every 3 years. There are certain requirements and categories to earn CPE credits. We've explored how to earn ISC2 CPE credits in this video. Do not skip the video. You will find free CPE resources throughout the video. Before diving into the best ways to get CPE credits, you need to know the CPE requirements and which activities can earn you CPE hours to renew your ISC2 certification. CPE is the abbreviation of continuing professional education. Typically, an hour spent on an activity equals 1 CPE credit. You can report CPE credits in 0.25, 0.50, and 0.75 increments. For instance, if you attended a 30-minute webinar, you can earn 0.5 CPE credits. ISC2 requires certification holders to earn CPE credits in a 3-year period and pay an annual management fee, AMF, every year. This table shows the ISC2 CPE requirements for each certification track. Let's go through CISSP certification CPE requirements as an example, which is the most popular ISC2 certification. CISSP certification holders need to earn 120 CPE credits every 3 years. There are Group A and B CPEs we will be describing later in this video. Group A CPE credits are related to domain activities, and Group B CPE credits are related to non-domain activities. CISSP holders can earn a maximum of 30 CPE credits through non-domain activities. However, there is no maximum limit for Group A activities. You can earn all 120 CPE credits through Group A activities. You can conclude your CPE needs for each certification through this example. Group A credits, domain-related activities. Group A credits relate directly to activities in the areas covered by the specific domains of the respective credential. For the CISSP certification, these activities should be related to information security, information management, business management, etc. You can earn Group A CPE credits through the following example activities. Education, taking an online course such as CPE courses. This is the most popular way to earn CPE credits among ISC2 certified professionals. Reading a cybersecurity white paper. Publishing an article on cybersecurity. Attending ISC2 Security Congress. Preparing for a presentation or teaching information related to cybersecurity. Performing a unique work-related project that is not part of your normal work duties. Self-study related to research for a project or preparing for a certification examination. Volunteering for government, public sector, and other charitable organizations. Taking a higher education course. We will go through each of these ways to earn CPE credits in detail throughout this video. Note that your day-to-day work activities do not count for CPE credits even if your job includes information security activities. Group B credits, professional development. Group B credits are earned for completion of general professional development activities that enhance your overall professional skills, education, knowledge, or competency outside the domains associated with your respective certifications. This can include programs such as professional speaking or general management courses. While these do not apply directly to the domains, ISC2 recognizes that these skills are vital in the growth of all professionals. You can earn Group B CPE credits through the following example activities. Attending non-security events, such as leadership conferences. Participating in non-security education courses, such as business strategy training. Preparing for non-security presentations, lectures, or trainings. Non-security government, private sector, or charitable organization committees. Now, let's go through each CPE credit earning way one by one. First way, the best way to get ISC2 CPE credits, education. As we've highlighted in the previous section, earning CPE credits through the education category is the most popular way for professionals. While there are several benefits of earning CPE credits through CPE courses, here are the top 5 reasons. 1. No caps. There is no maximum limit for the education category, so you can earn all CPE needs in one program and renew your certification. You do not need to go elsewhere to find additional CPEs to renew ISC2 certification. 2. Self-paced. You do not need to attend an event, conference, or seminar. You can follow the courses at your place, at your pace. 3. Affordable. Depending on the program content, you can enroll in a self-paced CPE online training for $200. However, seminars or conferences start from $1,000 per day. Not only that, you may not earn all CPE needs in one event. 4. Requires less effort. When you enroll in CPE courses, all you have to do is follow the curriculum, earn CPEs, and renew your ISC2 certification. However, other CPE credits earning ways require significant effort from the ISC2 certification holders, such as creating content, sharing a presentation, authoring, etc. 5. Less prone to ISC2 audit. Since the CPE training programs are used by many certified professionals, ISC2 already has a track and record of the activities. However, for other categories, CPE submissions are more unique and may be more likely to hit an audit. 60 CPE Credits Program. San Francisco Business School offers a 60 CPE course program. The program offers 3 self-paced business training programs: Executive Leadership, Strategy Creation and Execution, and Marketing Strategy. For each course in the program, SFBS awards a certificate of graduation. While earning CPEs, you will earn reputable business merits to highlight in your resume and LinkedIn. You can find the links to this program in the description area of this video. There is a CPE rule for education CPE credits. You can submit a maximum of 40 CPE credits per entry. While you can earn all 120 CPEs through the education category, you need to submit at least 3 different entries. Second way to earn CPE credits: reading. ISC2 accepts CPE credits by reading cybersecurity white papers, books, magazines, or white papers. For instance, reading a cybersecurity blog, a business education blog, or a book can count CPEs toward renewing your certification. 1 hour of reading counts as 1 CPE, however, everyone's reading pace is different. So, earning CPE credits through reading resources is not a crystal clear way to go. There are further requirements for earning CPEs through reading as well. A maximum number of CPE credits applies to the following activities. Books: 5 CPE credits per book with a 250-word description. Magazines: 5 CPE credits per magazine issue with a 250-word description. White papers: 1 CPE credit per paper with a 250-word description. So, there is a limit to earning CPEs through reading. Third way to get CPEs: events. Several cybersecurity conferences, events, and activities are organized throughout the year. Some of the events that can earn you CPE credits are as follows: attending ISC2 Security Congress, industry conferences, in person or virtual, and seminars, online webinars, podcasts, and other virtual offerings, professional cybersecurity chapter meetings, attending non-security events, such as leadership conferences. You can attend these events and earn CPE credits. Typically, a 1-day activity earns 6 CPEs. So, if you attended a 2-day event, you will earn around 12 CPE credits. Attending global events has benefits like expanding your professional network and learning the changing trends in your domain. However, there are some pitfalls to these events, typically organized in big cities. If you're living in a relatively smaller city, you might not see any events to earn CPEs. Requires in-person attendance. Many of the events take a few days. and you have to take days off from your work to attend these events. Expensive. Typically, these events are charged $1,000 per day. So, for a 2-day event, you need to pay around $2,000. Travel and accommodation, if needed, are not included in these fees. Does not earn CPE credits at once. Although it requires a significant amount of time and money, you cannot earn all the required CPE credits you need through one event. Considering you are a full-time working professional and looking to earn CPE credits in one step, we do not recommend this way for earning CPEs. Free ISC2 CPE online program. San Francisco Business School offers a self-paced free ISC2 CPE course online program as well. If you attend this program, you can earn 3 free CPE credits and submit them in the education category. You can find the links to this program in the description area of this video. Fourth way to earn CPE credits, authoring. If you're authoring business or cybersecurity-related content, ISC2 accepts your activity as a source of CPE credits. Some of the activities you can earn CPE credits are as follows. Publishing an article on cybersecurity. Preparing for a presentation or teaching information related to cybersecurity. Preparing for non-security presentations, lectures, or trainings. Writing, researching, and publishing books, articles, papers, and blogs. Preparation time for webinars, podcasts, or presentations. Preparing new or updating existing training seminars or classroom materials. Do you write articles or blogs? Give webinars? Make videos? Today's digital world is full of new content, and anything you create counts towards your ISC2 recertification. Typically, you can submit CPEs for the hours you worked on content creation. For instance, if you wrote a blog post for an hour, you can claim 1 CPE credit in your ISC2 profile. Creating content is cumbersome. There are several aspects of curating quality content. If your profession involves creating content, it is fine. You can earn CPE credits while you are working. However, just to earn CPEs, creating content is a tough path. CPE rules for authoring. There are further CPE rules for authoring activities. A maximum number of CPE credits applies to the following activities. Books, 40 CPE credits per book as author, 20 CPE credits per book as co-author, 10 CPE credits per book as editor. Articles, 20 CPE credits per article as author, 10 CPE credits per article as co-author, 5 CPE credits per article as editor. Chapters in books, 20 CPE credits per chapter as author, 10 CPE credits per chapter as co-author, 5 CPE credits per chapter as editor. Professional blogs, 10 CPE credits per blog as author, 5 CPE credits per blog as co-author, 2 CPE credits per blog as editor. White papers, 10 CPE credits per white paper as author, 5 CPE credits per white paper as co-author, 2 CPE credits per white paper as editor. Preparing existing training. 1-day course equals 2 CPE credits, 2-day course equals 5 CPE credits, 5 to 7-day courses equals 10 CPE credits, and semesters, 12 or more weeks, equal 20 CPE credits. If you're authoring and trying to earn CPE credits, make sure you do not exceed these limits. Fifth way to get CPEs, unique work experience. ISC2 members and associates can earn up to 10 Group A CPE credits for activities performed during their regular working hours when they are engaged in unique projects, assignments, activities, or exercises. The unique project, assignment, activity, or exercise must fall outside their normal or day-to-day job responsibilities or job description. For instance, if you're helping a charity organization audit its website vulnerabilities, this can count as a unique work experience, and you can earn CPE credits. 1 hour of participation related to the credential domains equals 1 CPE credit, with a maximum of 10 CPE credits per unique work experience. Sixth way to earn CPE credits: self-study. If you're working on a research project, or if you're preparing for another certification examination, you can count your self-study hours as CPE credits. Depending on the topic you're working on, it can count as Group A or Group B CPE credit. Cybersecurity-related research and certification examination preparations count toward Group A CPE credits. All other business-related work counts for Group B CPE credits. Seventh way to earn CPEs: volunteering. ISC2 accepts volunteering activities as CPE credits as well. Below are two examples of volunteering activities: volunteering for government, public sector, and other charitable organizations. Non-security government, private sector, or charitable organization committees. You can search for volunteering options on the ISC2 website as well. Note that these activities may not be available in your location if you are living in a small city. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to receive new videos.